I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning. Hope you're having a blessed, safe Memorial Day. I don't like to say Happy Memorial Day, Happy Labor Day. Those are the kind of days that it's like, yeah, but is it really happy? Like, I know I'm about to start off a little morbid, but then we'll get on to the happy. My my sister's husband was in the Air Force, and he retired from the Air Force. And I guess about 4 years ago, he ended up dying in his sleep. Whenever they did the autopsy, he had got something on his heart. It was like some scarring on his heart, and what it was where they had found in the military that some pilots had been exposed to something in certain areas where they had been posted, and so it was something that multiple of those Air Force pilots had passed away from. And anyway, so today my sister is doing something with Memorial Day in his honor. So it's kind of like, yeah, it's nice to have a day off, but also it's like, okay, he literally died for his country, not in combat, but because he was exposed to some pretty rough stuff physically. Anyway, okay, I told you it's going to be heavy. Enough of the heavy. So today, this morning, I'm not sweeping the garage because I always have an excuse for manual labor stuff, don't I? But I did that a couple weeks ago, because what I had done was I put the kitty litter out there, and then I swept it out and then blew out all the stuff. So really, I did that 2 weeks ago. I did just go down and, what is it? It's 8 o'clock. I did just go down and kind of check out my basement storage. I am not going to dust inside my precious moment hutch. I am not going to do that. So we're just going to mark that off. And I'm not going to clean my doorknobs and switches. I have in the past, and what that entails is taking one of those disinfectant wipes and wiping them off. It's not like there's a bunch of little kid hands all over the place, so I don't know why I put that on there. But anyway, I did. Bathroom closet, I did work on that yesterday. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to make some carnivore bun with burgers. That's going to be lunch. I'm actually a little hungry this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and make like a couple eggs and a couple pork belly. I've got a couple strips of pork belly, so I'm going to actually make that, and we'll eat that here in a minute. So really, yeah, that's kind of all that's left. Oh, in theory, I need to vacuum mop my house, but and I do need to wash the dog bowl still. But anyway, so that's today's Monday. I've been gaming. The dogs decided that when my alarm went off, because I keep my alarm set, for 5 days a week, I didn't turn them off for today. Because, if I do it, I'll forget next Monday. Anyway, the dogs decided it was time to get up as soon as my alarms went off. So I've been up just playing my video game and just chillaxing. That's my theme for the day. Like I said, later on we're going to make the carny buns and these burgers for lunch. But I just want a little something right now. So I'm going to make up the pork belly strips and a couple eggs. Hi. How you doing? Doing okay? I'm doing okay. I'm hungry. So what we having? Well, we have two. My Sam's, you can buy already sliced up pork belly. And so this is 2 of those slices of pork belly. And I got 2 eggs with a slice of cheese on top. We're getting back to the carnivore living, y'all. I had a few days without it. What do I notice different? Well, I just had some veggies, but I don't notice any like food noise or cravings or anything like that. Something I do notice I don't know if it's related, but if I know something, I'm going to tell y'all something. My left knee is really sore. So I've had issues with my knees for years. I mean, come on, I was 340 pounds. Someday I'm sure I'll need a replacement. I don't know how young is too young. Look at me. I'm 54 years old. I wonder how young is too young to have, like knees looked at and stuff. But anyway, so my left knee, when I was going down the steps a while ago, it was pretty sore. So whether that's from that, could not tell you. I ain't even going to pretend to guess. But, I forgot to at least tell you. Oh man, no, don't enter rest mode. I've been busy in my PlayStation and said it was going to enter rest mode. No. Anyway, so I'm listening to this lady. I like these true crime kind of shows. So while I'm playing my game, I'm listening to Annie Elise or Elise. Let's see, Annie Elise about a true crime. Anyway, and also, I don't know if I told y'all. So I was having issues. Oh, I told y'all yesterday I was having issues with my my creamy tolerating the gelatin and flavored water, or the gelatin and water. It was too dense. So I got the idea this morning. Well, and now I think it says don't do this. It might mess it up, so don't do it, okay? But I have one of those ice maker things that you put ice in or water in, and it makes ice out of it, and these little bullet shaped things. And so I'm like, why don't I try making some flavored ice with that? So I got that going in there now, just for some fun, just not to put in my drink, but just to eat, around with my sore throat and stuff. Look at me, I've always got an excuse for something. But it's just flavored water. So it's not got anything else in it. No extra calories or anything like that. No electrolytes. It's just flavored water I'm making little ice cubes out of. But anyway, so I'm going to eat this. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next thing. Well, there was just a tiff in here. And usually, if it's food related, it's this one. And Baxter, because Baxter knows that he could usually bully his way into getting bite. But this time, he thought he was going to bully Sammy out of his bite. Come here, Bax. Come here. He's got a little, I don't know if you could see that. See that right there on his little, right there, that little spot? Yeah, you tangled with the wrong one, didn't you? He tangled with the wrong, are you okay, sweet boy? Are you okay? Yeah. He tried to steal your food. Yeah, you had to show him a thing or two. Big brother had to show him a thing or two. Now, I don't condone violence at all, but I don't condone stealing your sister's food or your brother's food. So, it wasn't food, it was a treat. But, yeah, I don't condone that at all. So, if somebody has to put somebody in their place, then I'm not going to be mad about it. That's right. Sometimes I grew up in a tough love household. You have to pay the piper when you do something dumb. Well, little brother just paid the piper. But maybe he won't. Maybe he'll think twice about trying to steal Sammy's food. Mm-hmm. Y'all, it's been so long since I made these carny buns. I tell you what, I had to go back and watch my old video to see how I made them. Spoiler alert, 3 eggs and 2 ounces of cooked meat. I don't know when the video will come out, but you'll see that then. So I've got one with some chicken on it, probably about 2 ounces of chicken. And then one with the burger. And then that's the spillover. I just eat it. Telling you, amazing. I gotta edit the video. Bye. Do you ever think to yourself, Terry, why don't you answer the comments faster than you do? This is why. When I sit in my recliner, somebody feels like she has to be petted. And I stop. And look at that. She looking down at my hand like, hello? What's your problem? What's your problem, Bob? And then this one will come up. So that's why I am slow to answer my comments. I think I'm on day 3 right now. But I was just starting to answer them. And then I had cute, fuzzy, fluffy visitors that said, no thanks, Mom. You see, look at that. He's nudging me. Okay, sweet boy. The dogs have left me alone. I was boring to them, I guess. So I'm watching some video because I can't listen to somebody talk. So I'm watching some video about underwater world. And so it's just some peaceful flowing music in the background. But that way I'm answering comments now. So it's not so many tomorrow. But look, I get to see pretty fishes. Okay, I told you all this may or may not be okay to make. Okay, so I'm not saying you should do this because if this breaks my ice machine, but I made 3 bags of flavored water. Flavored ice. It's like little bullets. So I made 3 bags. So I'm going to have that instead of a creamy. All it is flavored water, okay? Literally flavored water. There is no gelatin. There is no anything in them. It's just, I'm trying to break them up a little bit. It's just flavored ice. So whenever I get in the living room, I'll show you what I have. It's just flavored ice. And I attempted to make it, and I might do this one. I had attempted to make some creamy things with gelatin water. And it didn't work. I had to melt the water down. So I might eat that. Anyway, we'll see. I'll tell you what I have in a few minutes. Judy's gonna be so happy. Her phone holder is already here. I told my sister about it and she was laughing. She's like, why is it when somebody else wants something, Judy's like, oh, I don't know if you need that. And she's like, but when Judy wants it right now. I said, it's because she's 84 years old. And the Bible says, or somebody said, once an adult, twice a child. Well, Judy's got the mind frame about I think she's about 8th grade, maybe 9th grade. She, if Judy wants it, Judy gets it. Although that is what my dad wrote on his funeral plans. Mom had always told him, she said they'd be in church and this is chicken and this is some pork. And Mom and Dad be like, oh, I like that song. And my mom would say, Nick, just write them down. I'm never going to remember. So he wrote up his funeral plans. And he wrote it all at the very bottom. The last sentence, unless Judy wants something else. What Judy wants, Judy gets. That was his little final goodbye. Everything was all about whatever Judy wants. Speaking of, did I tell you guys Mom thinks it's June 4th, but somebody else said September 4th. Anyway, they're doing a thing. So my dad was a band director in Jackson for 30 years. And so whenever I was a little kid, they built this band shell that the summer band would play out of in the park, the city band. Since Dad, look at that face. Since Dad directed the band for so long, they named the band shelter after Dad. Nicholas Herman Leist Band Shell. Anyway, well, this is the 50th year of the band shelter. And so they want to do something special on June 4th, which is Thursday, which is before a few days, it was a weekend before. Anyway, before my pool trip. So it worked out perfect. So anyway, anyway, I grew up near the park and playing on that thing. All right, so let's see this ice bullet. It's good chompy ice texture. I knew I'd like it. I mean, it's just frozen Kool-Aid. Literally frozen Kool-Aid. Hopefully it doesn't break my machine, because I could see me doing that, several weekends, and then just in the evening time, like when I'm laying in my bed, playing a video, or like listening to one of y'all's videos and doing my little Sudoku puzzle. I could see me chomping on that. Anyway, so that's where I'm at today. My video, hi. My video that I made earlier of the buns, that's up. I even made a TikTok for it and an Instagram for it. So, if any of y'all decide to try it, let me know. I'm going to let y'all go. I'm going to eat. Bye.